Where's it?
Okay, so we're going to teach Kenai how to look at a camera. So step one is we teach him to look at a treat in the corner on a chair. Mind the way?
Oh yeah. Not really. Yeah, but I want it like facing towards me too. So like, here. Should I move it?
Yeah, wait, it's probably better.
Yeah, because you can actually see Kenai.
Yeah.
Here,
So I'm gonna put the treat. Have him sit. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the treat in the corner, and when he looks at it, I'm gonna click. Sit. See, so he's looking at it, and he gets a treat. Good. So when he looks at it, he gets a treat. Now back up. Back up a little bit.
Sit over here,
Sit.
baby.
Okay, wait. Nope, sit. Come on, back. Sit. Sit. He was looking at me. I wanted him to look at the treat, not me. We gotta wait.
And just in case there's a water there.
So the clicker captures the moment that he does the right thing. So that says, you did it right. It's kind of like that game. Remember that game when I hide something, and then when you get closer to it, I click? And then when you get really close, I click and click?
We played that at the bowling.
Same
We played that at bowling. Remember when we were waiting?
Yes. So it's the same thing I'm doing for Kenai. I'm giving him a clue. Sit. And when he gets it right, I click. Good. See, I want him to look at it and not me. So when he looks at it, he gets a treat. Sit.
Oh.
He's looking at me. Good. And he looked at the treat. So the second he does it right, I click. That tells him you did a good job, and then he gets a treat for it. Sit. Sit. I want him to sit back there. Good.
Good boy.
Now sit.
Here, I should
Stay
put
sitting.
back here. Like this.
Good. Sit. Sit. Good. Okay, so step two is now I'm going to point to the treat and tell him to look. Okay, so I'm going to say look. All right. So I'm teaching him the word look. Now that I have him looking, first you get the behavior, then you give him then you name it, and the name of the behavior is look. So I'm going to say sit. Look. Good. And did you see him look? Sit. Can I sit? Look. Good. Good boy. That was good. See, so he looked at me, and I pointed to the treat and said, look, and he looked at the treat. So I clicked to let him know that was what I wanted. All right. Sit.
I'm a little too close to this thing.
Look. Good.
I'm gonna back up.
Sit. Look. Good. So he's got this. He's very, very smart. This dog gets trained so quick. Sit.
I know. Just like the sit thing, he's just like,
Look.
all you have to do is this.
Look. Good.
For like the sit thing, all you have to do is this.
I'm going to do it a few times. Look. Good. So now he knows what look means, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look means look at what I point at. So step three is when you come in, and so you are going to hold the camera with a treat. So you're gonna come over here,
Okay.
and you're gonna be in the place of the stool.
Okay.
Sit right here. Stand right here.
Oh, right here. Stand. Okay.
And hold the camera, because this is gonna be the camera. I want him to look at a cell phone, because that's usually what my camera is. So yeah, it's gonna be like a camera.
But I'm actually not turning on the camera.
You don't have to. I just want him to learn to look at it. And you're gonna hold a treat, so that you've got a treat too. So you're gonna show him the treat. Wait, I want him to sit though. Sit. Okay. Now, look. Good. I have to see who isn't quite sure where to look. We want to show him that you have a treat. All right, ready? Show him the treat. Look. Good. Sit. Sit. What I don't like is that he's getting up instead of staying seated. Seated. Okay, back. Sit. Back up. Sit. Stay. Okay. Look. Good. Sit. Sit. Stay sitting.
Um.
Am I in the way of the camera?
Sit.
Sit.
I don't care.
Okay. Look. I don't think he's looking at you though. So, right.
What?
Right. What do you need to give him the treat? So, ready? So show him the treat.
Oh, what? Yeah, they did it like.
Yeah.
Kina.
Good.
Good.
Now you give him the treat.
Good boy.
Come on, back up.
I have two.
Sit. That's okay. Just hold one up.
Oh, one. Hang on, let me set one down.
All right. Sit. Look. Good. Perfect. Then I'll give him the treat. Sit. Good. Hold it up. Look. Good. Give him the treat.
I'm doing pretty good at this.
Right.
I'm doing pretty good at this.
Yeah. Okay. Wait,
Whoa!
Kina. Kina. Okay. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Look. Good. Go ahead and give him the treat. Okay, so let's see if we
One
can
more?
get him to look at the camera without a treat. Okay, one more. Okay. Come on.
So where should I put the camera?
Sit.
Where
Sit.
should I put the camera?
No, just hold it up. Look. Look. Good. I didn't click.
Oh.
Good boy. Okay, so now we want to see if he can hold it. He can look at it without a treat. And I'm gonna have a treat for him. He's still gotta earn it. All right, sit, sit. Okay, look. Is he looking? Look. Good. Can you look at the camera?
Well, I'm not here. I'll turn on.
Yeah,
the
turn on the
actual
camera now and try taking a picture. All right, come in.
Let me turn on the actual camera.
Come in. All right, sit. Okay.
I'll prove it. Well, again.
All right, hold it up. Hold it up.
Where the heck is the camera? Oh, it's right here.
Okay. Now sit. Look. Look. Good. Did he look at the camera?
Oh.
That's okay. Let me see it. I want to see if he's looking at the camera.
Oh.
No, he's not at all.
Okay, let's try again. Whoa, what the heck? What the heck just happened?
Sit. No, sit.
Wait, why isn't it going?
No, Kenai, sit. Sit. Stop. No. You don't have to. Look. Look. Is he looking at the camera?
Look.
No.
He
He looked at the camera, but you didn't take it soon enough. But he needs to be able to look longer. Okay, sit. No. Look. Look.
Dang it. Wait.
Don't take a picture. Just look. Look. No, sit.
So hard.
Look.
Wait.
Look. Good. He needs to look at the camera for long. Don't take a picture.
I'm not.
Right, ready? Look. 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 No, sit. Sit.
I think you have to like do this. Like
Right, no. Sit.
shake your hand like this.
Sit.
Get it.
I need him to look longer.
Sit.
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 Kenai, sit.
Uh,
All right, hold the treat again, and I'm going to tell him, look, look,
oh wait, just do.
look. Good. Okay. I'm gonna wait and make him look at it longer before he gets the treat. Show another one. Look. Good.
He was actually. Wait.
What?
Should I just feed him up?
Yeah, give it to him. I clicked. If I click, that means he gets a treat, whether he should or not.
We're doing super good.
Okay. Come on, Picker. Sit. Okay. All right, hold the treat up.
Oh, the treats.
Look. Good.
There you go. Good boy, Keenan.
Sit. Get back. Sit. Right. Now look. Look. Look.
There you go.
No, look. I want him to hold it. So that's good. I'm waiting a little bit longer. I'm telling him to look, and I'm waiting like 2-3 seconds before I click, because I need him to hold the look longer. Sit.
Sit. Sit a bit. Sit.
Let's get in the sun. Right. Ready? Look.
I just put it at the bottom like this.
Okay.
There you go.
I don't want him to get up. All right, sit. Sit. Yeah, sit. All right. Now I'm gonna give him a treat.
Oh.
So, no, it's okay. Just show him the treat. Look. Look. Good. Wait. Don't give him the treat. Just show him the treat. Keep showing him the treat. Look. Good. Ouch. Starting to bite me.
Hand him to it like this. Like
Sit.
this, so that he's better.
You shouldn't have to. Sit. No. Sit. Look. Good. Sit. Ready? Look. Look. Good. Yes.
Yes! We're teaching
You
him.
see, he's doing much longer. He's looking at it for a longer period of time. Look. Good.
What
And
should I
then
do
next
this
time, well, I'm gonna tell him to go get it. Sit. All right.
What?
Look. Show him the tree. Look. Show him the tree. Look. No. Sit. Hey, stay. Just stay there.
You're sitting here watching the pizza burn.
No, it's done. The timer went off. Look. Look. No.
Hey! Keenan, sit.
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 Sit. Look. Good. All right, go ahead. Go get it. Go get it. So I want him to eventually, sometimes know that it's going to come from you. Okay, so no treat for you. I just want him to look at the camera. Sit. Sit. Okay. Look. No. Look. Yes. Good.
Yes!
All right, so
I
now you
think
should
we're
have time to
actually-
take a picture.
Okay.
Okay, sit. Okay, look. Take a picture.
Take-
No, you gotta take it as soon as I say look. As soon as I say look, you have to take the picture. So ready?
Alright.
Get ready to take it. And when I say look, then you take a picture. Look.
Yes, I did it. I did it. I did it.
Oh, good. Okay. Sit. Sit. Take another one. Sit. Sit.
Dang it.
Sit. All right, ready? Look.
Dang it, he didn't look.
All right. You didn't look.
Wait.
Stay. Look. Look. Good. Yes.
Look it.
Beautiful. That was a good one. Good job.
That one was the best of all of them.
Yeah. So he held it, So he looked and
Yeah.
he held it. Okay, Paul, you need to going to go get your pizza.
That was so sweet.
No, you don't need the cutting board. Can you use the cutting board somewhere else? Do you want to turn your YouTube thing on? Here.
It was on.
Alright, I won't use the cutting board.
Next up is Star. Wait. Yeah. Star. You're just stay here. You stay here. Stay here. Okay, I left it over.
All right, so I'm gonna start with just a treat on the stool.
I just saved the camera.
All right. Start.
Yeah, the camera on the stool.
All right. Nope. Start.
Hey, sit.
Wait. Sit.
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 All right.
Sit.
Stay.
Sit.
Wait. I'm waiting for her to look at the we're back to the beginning now.
Yeah.
So I'm going to wait for her to look at the treat on the stool, and then I'm going to click. Good. She's got that. Good. So I get the behavior first, reliably, before I name it. So it doesn't have a name yet. The name is Look. Sit down. Sit. Good.
Kina was actually pretty good at this.
Sit.
When we
Yeah,
first
he's the
started.
smartest of them.
Yeah.
Sit.
What about Star? She's the least smartest.
No, she's not as smart as Kenai, but she's smart.
Smarty girl. She's smart.
Smarty
girl.
Start. Come on. Ready?
By the way, the last
Sit.
one was Kenai.
Now I'm going to point to it
Yeah, punch her.
and click. Good. Right, sit. Sit. Good. Good. That was fast. She knows exactly what to do.
So did Kina.
Nope.
Hey,
Sit.
sit. Start.
Good. Okay. So now I'm going to name it because she's being pretty reliable, right?
Yeah, like Kina.
She's looking every time.
Kina.
So now I'm going to give this behavior a name, and the name is Look.
Look.
Right? Okay. So,
Sit.
sit. Sit.
Sit.
Stay. Wait.
Star, sit.
Look. Good. Oops. Here it is.
Whoops. Oh, she'll grab it.
Sit. No, get back. Back up. No. Sit. Sit. Wait. Look. Good.
Goody. Goody.
She's getting it. Actually, she's getting this better than Kenai.
Oh, she is?
Sit. Sit. Start.
Sit.
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 Look. Good.
She's good at this.
Look. Good. All right, it's almost time for you. We'll do 2 more. Look. Good. Good job. Look. Good girl. I want to try one more time with her further back. So, where you are. Star, come back here. Okay.
Oh, you're still gonna put it on?
Stay. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Yes. I just want her not so close. Look. Good. Wait, no, sit. 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 Star, sit. Look. Good. Whoops. Back, back. She moved forward. Sit. Wait. Look. Perfect. Good job. Okay. Your turn, Aiden.
Okay.
So you need a
The
treat?
camera's over there. The camera's over here. I put
Yep.
it over here. Where I was gonna...
Okay, so this
I
is
get
where
a
you're going
login.
to hold a treat over the camera. And
Yeah, I'll just put it there.
we're going to tell her,
Oh,
look.
it's the sticker.
And I'm going to give her a treat.
Sticker.
Okay, so sit. Hey, sit still. Sit still. Aiden. Start. Come on, sit. Here, sit. Front. Wait. Aiden, hold a treat. Okay.
Hold a treat.
No.
Hey,
Nope, nope,
I
nope,
need
nope,
to
nope.
switch this around.
Come on, start. Sit. Just wait. 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 Right. She needs to see that you have a treat. Look. Good. Is she looking at your treat?
Yeah.
Sit. Sit. I don't want her to move forward. Oh. Look. Good.
This is hard.
Look. Look. Good.
There you go.
And go get it. Oh, Star. Look, get it. Star, here. So she can't see your treat. She doesn't know you have a treat.
Start.
Sit.
Right
Don't call her. If you call her, then she's gonna get up, and I don't want her to get up.
Okay.
So let's give you. I'm gonna give you a bigger treat, so she sees that you have a big old chunk. All right. So she knows you have it. Look. Good. Did she look at you?
Yeah.
Wait. Sit. Don't get up. Wait. Okay. Now, look. No. Nope, you sit. Stay. Look. Aiden, you're not, you gotta show her the treat. There, good. All right, then you say look. Okay, so you say,
Look.
good.
There you go.
That was beautiful. All right, ready?
Should I
again.
actually take pictures now?
Yeah.
That's gonna be hard. I have to put it down here though. It's gonna be hard. Dang it.
All right, just put the treat down.
Straight down.
Just put the treat on the counter.
Okay.
All right, and then you just tell her look.
Look. Take it.
Remember, you have to say this. You have to click as soon as you say look.
Look.
Good.
Almost.
All right.
I
So
almost did, but she moved too.
what we need
she
to do
moved
is
too
treat her
early.
to look
She
for it a
moved
bit
too
longer.
early.
Okay.
Tina was easier.
No, sit.
Sit.
No. We had to treat Tina to look at it longer. Look.
Almost.
Don't take the picture. Look. Good. 'Cause I'm just trying to. I want to wait before I click. Look. Good. So I'm making her wait longer. Look. 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 Good. Okay. Wait.
Should I actually start
No.
taking pictures now?
Look. No. Star. Here.
Sure.
Sit. Sit. Stay. Look.
Look.
Good. I just treated her for looking away from it. Sit. Stay. All right, you say look.
Look.
Good. How'd
Okay.
that go?
I did it.
Oh, good. Okay, let's try it again.
Okay, so I got.
Get ready.
Wait. Look. 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 That's kind of
Okay.
glitchy.
Yeah,
That's
try it
kind
again.
of
Sit.
glitchy.
She looked for a
Freaky.
second, not long enough.
Look.
Good.
No.
Good. That should have been a good one. Good. Good girl.
She's kind of learning. She's kind of learning
You
now.
want to try another one?
With like the tree, I think she
No.
learned from the tree. So I don't
Yeah, I
think
think
we
she's.
did.
Wait, sit. Come on, Star. Come on.
But truly, I don't know.
Sit. Wait. Okay. No. Star. Sit. Wait. Wait.
Look.
No.
Dang
Don't
it.
take it.
Whoop.
I want her to look longer. Say look.
Look.
Okay. You say look.
Look.
Good.
I
I
know.
want her to look for a longer period of time. Say look.
Look. Look.
Good. Say it again.
Look.
Say it again.
Look. Look. Look.
Just hold it.
Look.
I'm trying to just don't say it again. Just only say it once, right? And then we'd have to wait until because I want her to hold it for a while. And if she doesn't get a click and we try it again. Okay.
Look.
Good. That was good. All right, try it again.
Look. Look. It's like
She's not doing it. It's okay, Aiden.
It sounds
Say-
like it's hailing.
Say look, I'm gonna wait for a while.
Look. Look.
Good.
There. Oh my
All
god.
right, try it again, Aiden.
Look. Look.
Good.
There.
All right, now try taking a picture.
Oh.
Okay. Star, sit.
What?
Sit. No, sit.
Sit.
Star,
Sit.
wait.
Sit.
Star, here.
Sit you.
Get back. All right, get back. Get back. Sit. Okay.
Look.
Sit. No.
Sit.
All right, as soon as you say look, take the picture. Star.
Look.
Oh, I
See
think you. Did you take it? Okay. I think we need to put the oh, you know what we need? Good girl, Star. We need the lights on back here because they're really dark. Good girl. Good girl. You did a good girl.
Oh yeah, the camera was kind of dark too. Sorry, camera.
All right, I'm gonna get Truly.
Yeah, get Truly. We're gonna get. Next up is Truly.
I'm gonna go back to the treat in the corner. And get some treats out.
I don't know what's going on. What's going on?
Okay.
It's gonna chase me.
You gotta come out of the corner because it's gonna be just her and the treat for now. Alright, ready? Come on, Drew. Ready? Okay, sit. Sit. Nope, wait. Wait. Good. Good. Sit. Sit. Good. Yes. All right. She's getting this pretty fast too. Sit. So now I'm gonna do the next step. Sit. Where I'm gonna point to it. I'm gonna entry. Sit. Wait. Oops. Good. Don't make noise.
Okay.
Especially if you're rattling their leashes. They think they're going for a W-A-L-K. And we don't want that. Because she's not going to pay attention to me then. It's truly. And they're just learning. So wait. You wait. Good. Nice. Sit. Sit. She's very smart. Good. You see how long she waited? She looked. Sit. All right, now I'm going to name it.
Yeah, look.
Because she's pretty good with the behavior. Sit. She's not good at sitting and staying in one place. Look. Good. All right, let's come back here. Good girl. Sit. Good. Wait. Good. All right. Wait. Look. Look. Good. Oh, my back's hurting. Sit. True, sit. Look. Good. Yes, good girl. Look. Good. Look. Good. Yes, good girl. I'm trying to wait a little bit longer.
Yeah. That's good for you.
Okay. And sit. Sit. Wait. Look. Good. Look. Good. She was thinking she needs to look at me. Sit. Which is a game I used to play with her. Sit. I actually would hold out a treat and wait for her to look at me and then click. Right. Look. Now, True. Sit. Sit. Wait. Look. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Sit. Look. Good girl. All right. Aiden, you want to get the camera?
Oh yeah.
Hold the treat over the camera.
Oh, the tree with that. It's gonna be kind of hard.
Get this big one.
Biggie money.
Okay. Ready, True? Ready? And sit. Okay. Sit. Look.
Look.
Now she seems quiet. Look. That's. Look.
Look.
Good.
Good girl.
Let her. She can't see. You're holding the treat like this, so she can't see it. Hold it up. Hold it up more like this. Yeah.
Hey,
Hold
go.
it so she can see it.
Sit, Julie.
When you hold it like this, she can't really see it. And show her that you have it.
Julie.
Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit.
Wait. Okay. Look.
Julie, look.
Good. Sit. Look.
Look. Look.
Look. That's okay. Hold it. Wait it out, because when she looks at you, then I'm gonna click. Don't make noise. Look. True. Come on. Look. No. She's playing the other game that she knows right, you say look.
Look. Look.
Good. Was she looking at you?
Yeah.
Say it.
Look. Good girl. Should I actually start like taking pictures now? Or not yet?
Not yet.
Because when we start taking pictures, it's not with the tree. So
Okay. Say look.
look.
Good.
Good girl.
Now I want her to hold it for a longer time. Look.
Look. Look.
Good. Was she looking at you? Okay. All right. Go ahead and take the picture. Wait. Come on.
Oh, then I don't need
Sit.
the tree.
Right, but you say look.
Look.
Sit. Sit.
Look. Dang it. She was looking at you.
Yeah, no, she wasn't ready for you to say look, so just hold on. All right. Go ahead and say it.
Look. Look.
Good.
I see it.
Good.
That looks cute.
All right.
Julie is so cute.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
At first I thought she was.
Sit. Right. Wait.
Look. Look. Look.
Sit. Wait.
Oh, she was kind of looking.
Yeah, that's okay. So stay right there. Don't. We just got to keep at it. Say look.
Look. Dang it.
All right. Say it again.
Look. Okay, I'm just gonna stop taking pictures for now.
Look.
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 Oh my gosh.
Okay. Say look.
Look. Look.
Good.
There we go. That was kind of good.
Good girl. You
We only took only 2 pictures. She was good in.
Good. All right. Let's try it again. One more.
Try one more time.
Yeah.
3. Because that's how old she is.
All right. Sit. Ready? Sure.
She's actually
Sit.
3, so.
Sit. Okay.
Look. Look.
Wait till I'm ready because she's not ready. All right.
Look.
Ready? It's true.
Julie.
Sit. She's not focused. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Look. 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 Julie, look.
Good.
Oh, she was looking at you that time.
Yeah. You didn't click when you said look. Remember, you have to click as soon as you say look.
Look. Dang it, she was looking at you.
Okay. Keep going.
Look. 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 Julie, look.
Good.
There we go. There's that one.
Yeah. I want her to look longer. Sit. Sit.
Yeah.
Sit. Sit.
Sit.
All right. Say look.
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 Drew.
Julie.
Sit. Sit. Look.
Look. Look.
Move the camera up and down.
Look.
Say it again.
Look.
Oh, sit. Drew, sit.
Sit.
Come on. Sit.
Sit up.
Sit. Come on.
Sit.
Julie, sit.
Look.
Look.
Look. Look. Look. Julie.
Good. Don't say her name. Just say look. Remember the behavior's name is look. So just keep saying look. See, she's doing it different. She's confused because I was on that side of her and now I'm on this side of her. And if just that change can make them think it's a whole different game. So that's why you have to really do a lot of extra work. And she's younger. Drew,
Yeah.
come on. All right.
She's
All right, say look.
Whoops. Look.
Good. Okay, say look again.
Look.
Say it again. Just keep saying look.
Look. There we go. Oh, it's gonna blur.
It doesn't, I don't care about the pictures. I want her to look at you. That's all I care about. I don't care about the pictures. I'm trying to teach her to look at you for a longer period of time, okay? So don't worry about the pictures. What I want is her to hold a look. So look at you and hold it.
Look.
So
Look. 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 Look.
True.
Look.
Look.
Look it.
Sit.
Look.
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 Wiggle the camera. Make some noise. Make some action. Good.
There you go.
But keep saying look.
Look. Look. Look.
Sit.
Look.
Sit. Make some action.
Look. 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 Look.
Well, hold the treat up.
Yeah, there we go. Look. Look.
Show her that you have the treat.
Look.
Sit.
A
Sit.
treat.
Truly, sit. Sit.
Look.
Wait, look, give me the treat. See this? No? Wait, sit. Wait. Okay. Now tell her look.
Look. There we go.
Now hold. Show her the treat again. Show her the treat.
Look.
Truly, here.
Look. Julie. Look.
Look. Let me show. Let me have the treat. Okay, and you're gonna take it. I'm gonna show her that I'm giving it to you. No, sit. Come on, Drew. Get back. Sit. Just this one takes a little more patience. See? Are you here alone? Okay. I'm trying to teach Truly to look at the camera. Oh, she's not doing it now. So. All right.
I'm sorry.
But she learned a lot.
I ruined your training.
Well, she learned
Okay.
a lot for her age. I mean,
Yeah, she was a little more challenging.
Yeah.
Good girl, but she did good. And I guess.
wait, should I stop the video now?
What are you doing?
Should I stop recording?
Are you in town for?
Probably an
Yeah,
hour.
stop the YouTube. That was a lot of work with the dog.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys